Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. Sorry if I sound nasally. I had a really nasty cold and I've been in bed all week with like an ear infection, cold, like you name it, I had it just from traveling. But today I'm going to be showing you guys like kind of like my everyday makeup routine. I'm going to a graduation party for my sister's boyfriend. So this is what I'd wear like going out to just a little get together, or if I want to look presentable. It's really simple. I'm not going to like pound on the makeup, so if you want to see my everyday makeup, then just keep on watching. So I am in a different, I know that like I'm in a different location. My Nana is staying with us because my aunt is in New York because she lives with my aunt, and I'm just going to put it up actually. So yeah. She's in my beauty room, that's where she stays, so we're gonna have to do with my bedroom, and I'm kind of just like on the floor right now because I'm in a rush. But, so if I look over here, this is just like where my mirror is. Let's begin. You guys already know I mix my Fenty and my Becca together. I'm going to be using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer and mixing it with my Urban Decay concealer because I don't want to wear a whole lot of foundation, just enough to give me coverage. So mostly I'm going to be using concealer. And honestly, this is kind of what I do like every day. Okay, sorry, I just like turned down the aperture because I feel like it was too bright, but ugh, I sound so nasty. So now I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this foundation just to give me like a little bit of extra coverage. So I'm trying to have a schedule now. I'm trying to post every Tuesday and Thursday for you guys. I feel like having a set schedule and when I upload it is really nice, so that way you guys are not wondering like, whoa, when is she gonna post another video? Because some of my favorite YouTubers have a schedule and I literally love like those days that they upload. So I'm going to be trying to upload every Tuesday and Thursday for you guys. So that's basically it for my face. I'm just going to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I love this powder. I ran out of my Laura Mercier, so I got this one. It's literally so good. Like I'm not going to like, there's like nothing to complain about at all. Oh my god, I have such a nasty cough. So I'm just gonna set a little bit under the eye, obviously, and my forehead, nose, chin, kind of like everywhere. Like all the places I get oily. I'm going to apply some liquid highlighter. This is the e.l.f. one. You guys already know I love this. Perfect for a nice glow. Because it is summer. Well, where I am, it's summer. I went to New York the past week. I had a vlog on it. It wasn't like my best vlog. I didn't really talk at all in it, and I was kind of just like overwhelmed. I was with my family, so I also was trying to just spend quality time with my grandparents and my best friend that you saw in the video. I'm gonna move on to bronzer, but I'm just gonna go over my face a little bit with the same brush I used to powder, and just kind of just add the excess here, so that way it's not powder, or it's not like patchy or anything. I'm going with my Morphe Duo, the brontour, so it's like the bronzer and contour in Celebutante. And I'm gonna take, oh my god, look at this brush. It's like curving this way. Oh, I love this brush. Look, it curved the other way. This is a MAC brush, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to use that. So I'm just gonna use my big Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna bronze up the skin with this and go into both shades and bronze the skin. For blush, I'm gonna go in with a oldie but a goodie, and it's like a classic, and this is the Milani Luminoso. I love this for the summer. It has a really nice sheen, but it's also like really nice and peachy. I'm gonna be taking this IT Cosmetics brush. This one is the 227 Flawless Blush, and I love this. I literally love this brush for blush. Oh, love that. It gives a really nice sheen to the cheek area. That's why I really like it. And I'm just gonna put some on my nose. I'm not gonna add a lot of highlight just because I kind of already have it from the liquid and the blush. Going with this Colourpop Flexatarian, and on my Morphe M510 brush, I'm just gonna lightly like tap and just apply it right here, and then on the nose. Here we go. Face is complete, so now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the Just Peachy palette. You guys know this is my absolutely favorite. I literally can't put it down. I love it. My brushes are all messed up from traveling. I'm just gonna go in with Fresh Picked right here. Basically, put this everywhere. Like on the lid, crease, literally just putting it everywhere. So I'm almost to 500 subscribers, which I'm literally so thankful for. It's been a really long project. Like, I've been on YouTube for almost a year now. July will be a year, I believe. So I'm really excited. I'm already at almost to 500 in just a year, which is crazy because some people, it takes them a really long time. I'm just going in with Just Peachy. It's a little bit more lighter. And I'm really grateful for everyone who supports me, my friends, family, my boyfriend, and of course all my subscribers. So I'm thinking once I hit 500, I'm gonna do another giveaway, kind of like the giveaway I did when I hit 100, and that was like a while ago. And I don't know, I'm just super excited. So thank you guys so much for like supporting me and subscribing to me, because it really means a lot. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and take those two colors and put them on the lower lash line. But yeah, it really means a lot to me, and it just is a good feeling that like all my hard work pays off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching me. I literally can't thank you enough. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX Wonder pencil, and it's just like a white color, and I'm gonna apply that in the waterline here. I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna apply some brow gel real quick. This is the Anastasia one. Just gonna apply my MAC mascara. To be a little extra. And I do this sometimes when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. just, you know. I'm going to take a stippling brush and put it into my highlighter. And highlight here, just because I'm not very tan right now, so I kind of just want a little bit of a glow. Put it on my shoulders. My shoulders are kind of dry. Don't judge. I want the Fenty Beauty, like that glow. I really want it. This is just like my everyday makeup routine. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.